Hello everyone. In today's video, we will look at the importance of defining lean strategy expectations, identifying appropriate performance metrics to measure lean effectiveness, and effectively managing the system when we implement and enhance our business through a lean system. Implementing lean tools or establishing an operational excellence system does not ensure the sustainability of a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. In most cases, lean change agents prioritize individual projects over a process improvement management system. This is one of the underlying reasons why lean practices might fail. As mentioned in his 2005 book, David Mann outlined the 4 principal elements of lean management for developing a lean culture. To illustrate these elements, we can use a car as an example. Leader standard work, element number 1, is the first thing to focus on in lean management. It acts as the main defense for keeping the focus on the process in lean management. When the leader follows their standard work effectively, there is a good chance that the rest of the lean management system will operate effectively too, driven by the foundation of leader standard work. Lean management relies on visual controls, element number 2. These visuals show how each process is performing compared to expectations throughout production and management systems. The data is recorded regularly and displayed in easy-to-understand formats. This helps leaders quickly identify and address any performance issues. The controls in lean management, such as the steering wheel and gas pedal, are part of the daily accountability process, element number 3. Through daily accountability, the leader can steer and set the direction for improvement activity in the area. This involves identifying which gaps between expected and actual performance, as captured by visual controls, need to be addressed. Daily accountability also allows the leader to control the pace of improvement, determining how much effort should be put into improvement, the expected timeline for improvement, and the allocation of resources to the task. None of this sounds like a big deal to accomplish. Why should this merit discussion? The answer, of course, is in the 4th element of lean management. Think of discipline, leaders' discipline especially, as the fuel that powers the engine that makes the entire system go. Establishing leader standard work, visual controls, and a daily accountability session will not amount to anything without the DCP line to execute these elements as designed and intended. Once the business direction is established, the first step in launching a performance improvement management system is to establish metrics that will be used to assess ongoing business performance at a set frequency, either hourly, shift by shift, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, depending on the level in the organization. No matter the frequency, it is important that these metrics are meaningful at the level at which they are being tracked. Once metrics are developed, a target for each metric should be set. For example, if delivery is a metric that is deemed important to measure, what is the delivery target for this fiscal year, for example? 100%, 90%, 80%? This can depend on a variety of factors, including baseline performance. A process improvement management system does not simply track metrics. The heart of a performance management system is the holding of performance dialogues, which not only review performance against key metrics, but more importantly, identify issues and corrective actions to prevent those issues from reoccurring. Any process can be managed by using this method. It is not just about manufacturing parts. Establishing new habits requires extinguishing the competing old ones. That takes constant positive reinforcement of the new and negative reinforcement of the old, a course that experience shows is easier to avoid than to follow. It takes an enormous amount of emotional input and energy to effect change, and it takes great deal of consistency and repetition to get anything. It's like trying to turn the Queen Mary or battleship. So, we need to manage the change process by understanding the impact of lean systems and the success factors for developing a lean culture successfully. How we succeed in implementing lean depends on key factors: vision, skills, incentives, resources, and action plan. Without any one of these factors, problems such as confusion, anxiety, slow progress, frustration, and false starts may occur. Here, I have listed some guidelines to avoid these problems while launching a lean management system to create a lean culture in your organization. That is all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.